Hello my dear friends, welcome to lecture on Vedic Math. Here we will see some of the questions on how to solve using Vedic Maths. So our first question is 91 cross 91. Here we will assume that we have the base of 100. We will see why. Now we have two numbers here, 91 and 91. So first what we will do is we will subtract 91 by 100. So 91 plus 9 will give us 100. Similarly for second number, 91 with 9 will give us 100. Now what we have to do is we will multiply this number by this number. So 9 by 9 is 81. This number is less than 100. So nothing will get carry on. Now what we have to do is we will subtract these two numbers, either this two number or this two number. So 91 minus 9, this will be 82 in both the cases. So we just write here 82. So our answer will be 8281. So this is the first answer. Now let us go on to second question. Our second question is 99 cross 97. So we will write 99. 100 minus 99 gives us 1. So we will write 1 here. Second is 97. 100 minus 97 is 3. So we will write 3 here. Now 1 cross 3 is 3. But we will write 0, 3 because we are writing in base 100. Now what we have to do is we have to subtract these numbers. So 99 minus 3 is 96 and 97 minus 1, this is also 96. So our answer is 9603. Now let us see our third question. Our third question is 92 cross 87. This is a bit difficult, but we will solve it. So 92, the remaining is 8. For 87, the remaining is 13. Now you need to remember the table of 13. So 13 cross 8, this will give us 104. Now this is bigger than 100, so put a slash here. This one will get carry on. Now we can do 92 minus 13 or 87 minus 8. So 92 minus 13, this is nothing but 79. Similarly 87 minus 8 is also 79. See, we have a 1 here, so this 1 will get added to 79. This will be 80. So our answer will be 8004. Now we can try some more questions using this trick. So our question is 93 cross 94. So we can simply write here 93 and here 94. 100 minus 93 is 7. 100 minus 94 is 6. We can multiply 7 cross 6. This is 42. Now we can do 93 minus 6. We have to subtract this number. So 93 minus 6 is 87. Similarly 94 minus 7 is also 87. So it is 8742. So this is our answer. Now we need to do 93 cross 97. So we write 93 here, 97 here. 100 minus 93 is nothing but 7. 100 minus 97 is 3. So 7 times 3, we multiply these two numbers, it becomes 21. Now we subtract 93 minus 3, this will give us 90. 97 minus 7 will give us again 90. So it is 9021. So this is our answer. Now take this example 88 cross 98. You can write the two numbers 88 and 98. 88 minus 100 is 12, 98 minus 100 is 2. So we multiply these two numbers. So 12 cross 2 is 24. Now we can subtract this 2 or this 2. So 88 minus 2 will be simply 86. 98 minus 12 will also be 86. So our answer is 8624. Now let us see our last question. Before that, you can attempt it. I hope you have attempted it. So you will see it. 88 cross 87. So 100 minus 88 is 12. 100 minus 87 is 13. So you have to do 12 cross 13. So 12 cross 13 is 156. This is greater than 100, so this 1 will get carry on. Now 88 minus 13. So what we have done here is we have multiplied these two numbers. So it is 156. Now we have to subtract the numbers 88 minus 13 or 87 minus 12. We are taking 88 minus 13. So this is 85. This carry on one we will add here. This is 86. So our answer is 8656. So for more of this video, please like and subscribe. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.